Well, I was watching on my TV when this man come on the news. See, if you wanna make some money, there's just one thing you gotta do. Get on the bow with your honey and a chicken on a hook or two. She can shoot the gator in the head. That's all you gotta do. Now tell them what you do now, Mikey.
Get a gator. Get a gator. Get a gator in the boat.
Oh yeah.
Get a gator. Get a gator. Get a gator in the boat.
Shoot that gator, Shay.
Get a gator. Get a gator.
Come on now.
Get a gator in the boat.
Pop a cap on him
Get
now.
a gator. Get a gator. Get a gator in the
Papa
boat.
needs some brand new boots. You know what I'm saying?
Get a gator. Get a gator in the boat.